students, welcome to another class 11 math class. Previous day we have discussed about set. Today we will discuss about relation. So before starting the discussion about relation, you have to know the ordered cross product. What is the Cartesian cross product? A cross B. You have to know what is A cross B. I am giving first an example. Suppose A equals to the set 1 to 3, B equals to 4, 5. So the Cartesian product A cross B means the first element is taken from A and the second element is taken from the B. So first of all 1, 4, the ordered pair 1, 4, then the ordered pair 1, 5, similarly 2, 4 and 2, 5, and then 3, 4 and 3, 5. So what is the definition of A cross B? The definition will be, it contains the ordered pair A, B, small letter A, B, such that A belongs to the set capital A and B belongs to the set capital B. That is the definition of ordered pair A cross B. Okay, or the Cartesian product. Now move on to the definition of relation. A relation R from A to B is defined as the subset of A cross B, the Cartesian product A cross B. That means whenever it is a subset of A cross B, then R is called the relation from A to B. Okay. Now go to the exercise number 2.1. Question number 2. Just go through the question with me. If the set A has 3 elements and the set B, A has 3 elements and the B is containing 3, 4, 5, then find the number of element of A cross B. So number of element of A cross B. What is the number of element of A cross B? You can see here A contains 3 elements, also B contains number of elements of B is again 3. So the number of element of A cross B will be 3 cross 3. That means 9. That means A cross B contains here 9 elements. Now move on to question number 7. Here A equals to 1, 2, B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, C equals to 5, 6, D equals to 5, 6, 7, 8. Now verify A cross B intersection C equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. Now first of all the LHS. For the LHS you have to first find B intersection C. Okay. So B intersection C means the common elements of B and C. You can see B contains here 1, 2, 3, 4 and C contains 5, 6. So there exists no element, no common element. So B intersection C means 5. Okay. So B intersection C means phi, because B and C has no common element. Now A cross B intersection C. Here A contains one comma 2, and you can see B intersection C equals to phi. Now what will be the cross product? Here you can see phi means it contains no element, so it will be phi. Okay. Now come to the RHS. First of all, A cross B. A cross B means 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, then 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4. Next, A cross C. A cross C equals to 1 5, 1 6, 2 5, 2 6. Now the RHS is A cross B intersection A cross C. So you have to find out the common element of A cross B and A cross C. Just look at here, look at on the whiteboard. Here A cross B and A cross C contains no common element. So here we can conclude that it is again a phi. So the relation is verified. In the similar way, you can do the following problems, the next problems. Now I am moving on to the next exercise 2.2, question number 1. Question number 1. Here the set A is given as 1 2 3 dot 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 14. Here the relation is defined as R from A to A. The relation R from A to A. The relation is defined on actually A. This is called actually binary relation. Special type of relation, binary relation, is defined as R equals to containing the order pair x comma y such that 3x minus y equals to 0 for all xy belongs to A, or xy belongs to A. Now that means y equals to 3x, xy belongs to A. Now we will find the elements explicitly. So the elements are y equal to 3x means if x equals to 1 then y equals to 3, if x equals to 2 then y equals to 6, if x equals to 3 then y equals to 9, if x equals to 4 then y equals to 12. Y is the thrice of x, so 1 3, 2 6, 3 9, 4 12. If I take here x equals to 5, then it will give y equals to 15, but 15 is not present in the set. So the elements are explicitly 1 3, 2 6, 3 9 and 4 12. Now we have to find the domain, codomain and range. First of all, what is the definition of DOMR or domainer? Domainer means only containing the first part such that the order pair belongs to the relation, and ranger means containing the second part such that the order pair belongs to the relation. And codomain is here, clearly codomain is capital A. Codomain is nothing but the capital A. Codomain is here nothing but the capital A. That means the set 1 to 14. Okay, so here DOMR equals to, you can see 1 2 3 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the range are equals to 3, 6, 9 and 12, the second part, 3, 6, 9 and 12. So the dome are equals to the first part of the elements containing the relation. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and the range are equals to 3, 6, 9 and 12 and codomain is the capital A. Okay. That's all for today. Next day we will solve some problems from 2 to 9 and also next day we will discuss about the function or mapping. Thank you for today.